Hello everyone, welcome to our video. I'm J. Mark Baikin, an Information System students, and this is my space to explore all things tech. From coding to cybersecurity to the latest gadgets. If it's about tech, I'm interested. Join me as I dive into the world of information science. Number 1. Which of the following is a higher level programming language? C++ is a higher level programming language because it abstracts away many of the low level details of the computer hardware, making it easier for programming to write code. Number 2. What is the main function of compiler? Translate code into machine language. Compiler translate human readable source code into machine executable code. Number 3. What does JDK stand for? JDK stand for Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment used for developing Java applications. Number 4. Which tools is used to write and test programs? IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is a software application that provided comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally assists of a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. Number 5. Java code is saved with which file extension? Java. The Java extension is used for Java source code files. Number 6. A program is a sequence of instruction for the Number 7. Java is considered a high-level language because it uses humanable readable syntax. High-level language use syntax that is closer to human language, making it easier to write, read, and maintain code compared to low-level language like assembly or machine code. Number 8. JVM, Java Virtual Machine, is the program that executes Java bytecode. The JVM is responsible for interpreting and executing Java bytecode, enabling Java application to run on different platforms without modification. Number 9. An IDE integrated development environment combines editing, compiling, and debugging tools in one software. An IDE provides a comprehensive environment for software development, including tools for writing code, building executables, and fixing errors. Number 10. The Java command compiles Java source files. Java Development Kit or JDK, which translates Java source code, Java files, into bytecode. Class files. Number 11. Assembly language is easier to read than binary. False, because assembly language uses mnemonics that are slightly more readable than binary code, but it is still much harder to read than high-level language. Number 12. Java bytecode can run on any platform with JVM. True. Java's write once run anywhere capability is due to its bytecode being executable on any system with JVM. 13. Compiler execute program line by line. False, because compiler translate to the enter source code into machine code or bytecode before execution, unlike interpreters that execute code line by line. Number 14. Visual Studio code can be used for Java programming. True, because Visual Studio Code with the proper extension supports Java development. Number 15. The system out print ln has to be capitalized as system out print ln. It is case sensitive.